In today's high-tech world, we rely on machines to do a lot for us. Sometimes our lives depend on the efficiency and endurance of specific equipment. Many of the components we count on are exposed to extremes of wear, heat, and corrosive environments. Oil and gas production involves caustic substances, intense pressure, and extreme heat and cold. On the airplanes we travel in, their engine components get exposed to severe friction, heat, and stress. This equipment needs to be maintained, repaired, and rebuilt on a regular basis. Airlines and original equipment manufacturers call upon reliable providers like PAS Technologies.
PAS Technologies is a premier high-tech component solution provider. We support customers with both new and repaired components in 6 locations throughout the world. Our products and services support the aerospace, industrial gas turbine, and oil and gas industries.
Whether it's a new OEM component or a field-run MRO component, PAS is a one-stop shop for airlines and original equipment manufacturers. The company has the ability to take a part from raw material through final inspection, including such processes as machining, welding, brazing, coating, and heat treating. Following a lean manufacturing approach helps PAS to manage quality, on-time delivery, and cost, while eliminating unproductive process time, decreasing cycle time, and increasing operational efficiency.
PAS is fully certified for a wide range of services. In our effort towards constant improvement, we're pursuing new certifications all the time. All OEM customers need one-stop shop suppliers that are fully certified to produce OEM quality components and to repair current and legacy platform components that reach the end of their service lives.
There are new developments in aircraft engine design that have demanded manufacturers to devote people and factory space to these new concepts. As a result, the OEMs have needed to move some of their work out of house, as a broad array of legacy equipment is still flying today and must be properly maintained. Engine OEMs such as GE and Pratt & Whitney are exploring new options, and many of them entrust this vital work to PAS Technologies. The company uses well-trusted traditional methods, as well as new groundbreaking technology.
Our PAS licensed coating technology, D-Gun and Super D-Gun, are applied to parts. D-Gun coating is recognized as one of the most efficient coatings for reducing corrosion and erosion, which improves component service life, eliminates replacement costs, and adds tremendous value for our customers.
Where once the aerospace landscape in the West was dominated by American manufacturers, that is no longer the case.
2 of the biggest challenges are the rise of global competition and buyers who are looking to spend less money on advanced products and solutions. The balancing act between quality and cost represents an enormous challenge for manufacturers as well as providers like PAS.
Staying competitive means keeping this equipment running at peak performance while reducing downtime, avoiding the costly purchase of new parts, and contributing to sustainability. PAS is proud of their record of responding rapidly to urgent situations, providing quick turnaround of parts and service, on-time delivery, and anything else needed to keep customers' equipment up and running.
The industries that we serve require perfection. Our Performance Excellence Process, or PXP, enables us to meet and exceed those requirements. We've been on this lean journey now for over 3 years, and it's paying big dividends for our customers, employees, and shareholders.
Much of our modern lifestyle is dependent on unseen machinery operating flawlessly with little or no interruption. It takes dedicated companies like PAS Technologies to keep our world running at peak efficiency.